and only you will be able to solve the problem. Then these are challenging problem, my dear. The lowest term of the fraction, the lowest term of the fraction, the lowest term of the fraction. This is sixth part, the lowest term of the fraction. (27) 27 upon 36 is A 2 by 3, B 4 by 3, C 3 by 5, and D is 3 by 4. Then fifth question. Minus 13 plus minus 12 plus dash is equal to yes, no problem. Yes, I will admit. Is 25, B minus 25, C 35, D minus 35. So first 5 problems. So start. So this session is challenging session. This session is challenging session. Good morning. This session is challenging session, my dear. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon. This session is good afternoon. Evaluate mod of minus 7 minus mod of minus 3 plus mod of minus 8. 3 mods are there. Mod minus mod plus mod. You have to use the concept of mod. These are challenging session, my dear. These are challenging. First you solve all the 5 problems, then I will ask you to send me the answer. Yes. 5 problems, then another 5 problem I will give up. Screen is clear, my dear. Good morning, good afternoon. Good afternoon. First question. Absolute value bracket, my dear. Absolute value minus absolute value plus absolute value. 3 absolute value brackets are there. These are challenging. Unless and until you have the concept clear, you cannot solve this problem. These are challenging problem, my dear. चलो. Revision 6. Okay, start solving as many as problem, because examination I can twist the problem. We want to check how much your concept is clear. My dear, how much we have done in the revision, everything. I may give difficult, I may not give difficult. This is up to us. But we want to check your concept. Okay. May come, may not come, that we don't know, that you will see in the examination. But these are what based on whatever we have learned. Fifth question is minus 13 plus minus 12 plus question mark is equal to 10. This question mark value you have to find. Question mark. So start solving. Okay. Whatever you have learned, based on those concepts, it will be asked in the examination. Very good. What is your name? Varun Patel. Just check the answer, my dear. Sometimes mistakes occurs in the calculation. It is better. Whenever you have enough time, you check the answer. Chalo, 5 minutes I am giving you. Now I have raised the left. Place, PLAC, place value of digit 2 in the number 5421. Minus. Successor of 9 plus predecessor of 11 minus place value of digit 2 in the number 5421. So this you have to find, add this, then you have to subtract this. So let us give 2 more minutes, then we will discuss the answer. My dear, start solving, no? Why you are writing question? Fourth question is, the lowest term of the fraction 27 upon 36 is 2 by 3, 4 by 3, 3 by 5, 3 by 4. Chalo, last 1 minute, because we have to solve another 5 problems. Chalo, start sending me the answer of first. Devasi, that I do not have idea, you see the video. Devasi A, Arya A, Pranav A, Anushree A. अरे माय डियर, सी, उन्नति दुबे, now A is the wrong answer. A is the wrong answer. Varun Patel B, Tanmay B, Yasharbir B, Arav B. See this, my dear, whether A is the answer or B is the answer. See this answer. See, my dear, you have to use the concept of absolute value. Absolute value of minus 7 will be 7. Then minus absolute value of 3 will be, absolute value of minus 3 will be 3, plus absolute value of minus 8 will be 8. Absolute value of minus 7 will be 7, minus absolute value of minus 3 will be 3, plus absolute value of minus 8 will be 8. Now see, 7 is having plus sign, 3 is having minus sign, so you have to subtract, plus and minus opposite sign. 7 minus 3 is 4. Then 4 plus 8, answer is plus 12. Answer is plus 12. So B is the correct answer, my dear. All of you writing A. No, B is the answer, my dear. Okay. Now, chalo, ठीक है, it's okay. Now, start sending me the answer of second. D, A, D, B, A. My dear, those who are writing D, you check the answer. Varun Patel. How? 1 minute. My dear, 1 minute. Let us see. Let us see. Successor of 9. What is successor of 9? How we find the successor? 9 plus 1, that is 10. Okay. Then predecessor of 11. Predecessor of 11. 11 minus 1 will be 10. Now these two you have to add. 10 plus 10. That is 20. Then from this you have to subtract the place value of 2. 5, 4, 2, 1. What is the place value of 2? That is 20. So from these two total you have to subtract 20. 20 minus 20 is 0. 20 minus 20 is 0. No, my dear. These two you have to add and then you have to subtract. 20 minus 20, answer is 0. So A is the correct option. Okay. A is the correct option. Now start sending me the answer of third. A. My dear, C. Vamsi C. Vamsi C. Then Bhavesh A, B. Both answer. Pavitra C. Hina Chaudhary C. Then Divyanshi C. Prachi C. Then Divyan C. Let us check whether C is the answer or not. So majority are telling C. Varun Patel A. Then Varun. Wait, my dear. Varun. Let us check. My dear, those who are telling A, their answer is absolutely wrong. See this. Addition 47 plus minus 32 plus minus 12. Addition means you have to add these three numbers. So we write plus sign. Whenever two signs are together, you have to multiply. 47 plus into minus 32 plus into minus 12. Let us see these two numbers. This is having plus sign and this is having minus sign, opposite sign. Whenever they have opposite sign, you have to subtract. 47 minus 32 is 15. Which sign you will take? Plus sign, because 47 is bigger. Then minus 12. Again plus and minus opposite sign. So subtract. 15 minus 12 is 3. Which number is bigger? 15 plus 3. So answer is 3. C is the correct option, my dear. Monday you are going to write the exam and you are doing mistake. So plus 3 is the correct answer. Yes? Yes, understood. Yes, so my dear, Monday you are going to write the test, and if you do mistake, then answer is plus 3. Okay. Now start sending me the answer of fourth D. Varun Patel D, Praveen D, Garvi D, Arav D, Pavitra D, Vamsi D, Devashi D, okay, Gauri Sawan D, Darsh More D, Swara Madik D, Vivek Chauhan D, Diya Gathani D, wait, Urja D. So majority are telling D, 3 by 4. Let us log this answer 3 by 4 and check whether 3 by 4 is correct or not. So 27 upon 36. No, one time you have to write. Then 27 upon 36. Wait, my dear, I will 27 upon 36. To find the lowest term, we have to cancel the common factor. 3 9s are 27, 4 9s are 36. 9 9 get cancel, answer is 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 is option D. Option D is correct. 3 by 4. Chalo. Start sending me the answer of fifth. Varun Patel C. Varun Patel C. Pavitra C. Arav C. My dear, C is the wrong answer. Ichha Chaudhary C. Bhavesh B. B is also wrong answer. Darsh More D. D is also wrong answer. A is also wrong answer. A is also wrong answer. No. Wait, my dear. Now majority are giving all the answer. Yes, my dear, absolutely correct. C is the answer. C is the answer. C is the correct answer. I said no because some of you copy C. So minus 13 plus minus 12 plus dash we consider x. So now C is the plus and minus. Yes, C is the answer. Correct. X is 10. Plus into minus will be minus. Now minus same sign, so you have to add the number. Minus 25 plus x is equal to 10. This is my left hand side and this is my right hand side. Minus 25 is on the left hand side, negative. When you will take minus 25 on the right hand side, it will be positive. So x is equal to 10 plus 25. Minus 25 become plus 20. So answer is 35. So C is the correct option. C is the correct option, my dear. Some of you are telling this answer. So correct answer is C, 35. My dear, that is what no. Whenever somebody write the answer, good student write the answer, other just copy the answer. So that is why I said no in the beginning. Let other change the answer. Yes. Okay. So my dear, you have to be confident about your answer. What I can get, that should be the answer. Okay. So, first one, the question I have erased, answer was plus 12. B, plus 12. Now, sixth question. Chalo. Start sixth question. If A is 7, B is 5, and C is 3, then the value of I have raised the label of question. A minus B, C is 3. A minus B plus C. A minus B plus C. Option A, minus 15, B plus 15, C, 12, D, 1. Wait, my dear, wait. Let me complete. We have to go by the rule. Let other also give the chance, no? Find the value of wait, my dear, wait. Find the value of A, find the value of minus A plus, plus minus B, minus A plus minus B, minus C, minus 15, then it is plus 15, then it is 12, then it is 1. Where A is 76, B is 32, and C is 12. The option is A. Option is 86, B minus 86, C 96, D minus 96. B is 32. A is 76, B is 32, C is 12. Find the value of minus A plus minus B minus minus C. You have to just put the value, my dear. Okay. Let me check the answer. No. No. Let me complete all the question, my dear. Let me write all the question. No. Now it is clear. Now it is clear. Sometimes it happens. Chalo. No, my dear. Unless and until we complete 10 problems on the board, the writing part is not over. Do not tell me the answer. I will ask you to send me the answer. Okay. Chalo. Then 8-1. 8-1. What must be subtracted? What must be added? What must be added to minus 128 to get minus 59? A. A option minus 59, B 59, C 69, D minus 69. Okay. Then ninth question. Find the product of the following. Find the product of the following. That is, find the product of the following. That is find the product of the following. That is successor of 9, then comma. You have to find the product, means multiply this. Successor of 9, comma, predecessor of 11, comma, face value of 3 in number 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You have to find the product of these three. A, answer is 100, B 200, C 300, then D is 30,000. Chalo, 9 problems. Only 9 problems. Find No, no, 9 is enough. 9 is a lucky number. Find the product of the following. Successor of 9, 1. हाँ, but before that we have to discuss. हाँ चलो ठीक है, वन मोर चलो. 10th one minus 24 plus dash is equal to 8. Option A 16, B minus 16, C 32, D minus 3. So let us make. हाँ 8 is equal to 8 is equal to हाँ 8 is equal to 8. चलो start. हाँ only 7 minutes are there. Start sending me the answer of sixth answer. Arya B, Varun Patel B, Arav Joshi B, Yes B, Divyansh B, Ichha B, Devasi B, Ayush B, okay, Ichha B, Pavitra B, Hina Chaudhary B, Urja B, Darsh Mori B, Niharika B, Bhavesh B, Dhruvi B, Gauri Sawant B, Ichha B, Ayush B, Ayush C. My dear, C is not the answer. Ayush, what you are doing? Ayush, C is not the answer. Let us discuss. So majority are telling B. So let us log the answer B. Let us log the answer B and C. A minus minus B plus C. A minus minus B plus C. Okay. So what will be A minus minus B plus C? A minus minus B plus C. Minus minus sign become minus into minus plus. So A plus B plus C. What is the value of A? 7 plus 5 plus 3. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. So 15 is the correct answer. Yeah. B is the correct option. So start sending me the answer of 7th. Pavitra D. D is the, my dear Pavitra. Varun Patel C. 7th answer I am asking, my dear. Ichha D. हाँ. Yes. Where? 3. Face value of 3 in number 54321. Yes. Shruti Nair D. Niharika D. Then Bhavesh D. Varun Patel C. Varun Patel wrong answer. Ichha D. Dhruvi D. Ankita D. So let us log the answer D. Majority at wait, no, my dear. Majority are telling D. Let us verify whether the answer is C or D. Let us verify. No harm. Now, 6th question answer is 15 plus 15. So let us see. Minus A plus minus B minus minus C. Okay. So plus into minus will be minus. So minus A minus B. Minus into minus will be plus C. Now put the value of A. A is 76 minus 32 plus 12. Minus same sign. You have to add the number and take the common sign. Minus 76 plus 32 is 108. 108 plus 12. This is minus, this is plus. Opposite sign. You have to subtract. 108 minus 12 is 96. Which number is bigger? 108. What is sign? Minus 96. So D option is correct. Option D is correct. Minus 96. D option is correct. Minus 96. No. So D option. Start sending me the answer of 8. Chalo. C, Varun Patel C, हाँ पवित्रा C, गौरी सावंत C, yes, Jayanti C, Divya C, Shruti Nair C, Jayanti C, then Urja C. 7-1 answer is D, minus 96. Ichha D, minus 96 is the answer. Let us see. Majority are telling me the answer for D as 69, C option. So let us log the option C and check whether this is correct or not. So minus, what must be added to, D is the wrong answer, my dear. What must be added to minus 128? Let X be added to minus 128 to get means equal to minus 59. Now this is your left hand side and this is my right hand side, my dear. In left hand side it is minus 128. When you will take minus 128 on the right hand side, plus 128. So X will be minus 59 plus 128. Minus 128 become plus 128. Now this is minus, this is plus. Minus and 59 has minus sign, 120 has plus sign. Minus and plus opposite sign. Whenever you have opposite sign, you have to subtract smaller number from bigger number, take the sign of bigger number. So 128 minus 59 is 96. Sorry, 69 is 69. Now which number is bigger? 128. What is sign of that? Plus. So plus 69 or 69. 69 is the C option is correct. C option is correct. Right. Let us check. Wait. When I will ask you to send me the answer, so far I have not asked. No, my dear, I will not read any answer. When I will tell you to send me the answer, that time, your time will start from that. Okay, so be ready with 9 answer. Be ready with 9 answer and start sending me the answer of 9. Chalo. C, Pavitra C, Ichha Chaudhary C. Wait, Arav C, Varun Patel C, Ichha C. Yes, Tanmay Shinde, what is your answer? Tanmay Shinde. C. Okay. So let us. ठीक है. C. Okay. Devasi C. Okay. So majority are telling C 300. Let us check the answer. Find the product. Product means multiplication. So you have to multiply which number? Successor of 9. So 9 successor, 9 plus 1, that is 10. Then predecessor of 11. 11 minus 1 is 10. You have to multiply this. Then you have to multiply, wait no my dear, phase value of 3. Phase value of 3 is, phase value of any digit remains same. 3 only. It is phase value. So 10 into 10 is 100, 100 into 3 is 300. Answer is 300. C option is correct. Now start sending me the answer of 10th one. 10th one, C, Bhavesh C, Pavitra C, Yes C, Varun Patel C, Hina Chaudhary C, Gauri Sawant C, Ichha Chaudhary C, Bhavesh C, Devasi C. Okay. So majority are telling C 32. Let us check the answer. Yes, C. Yes, Tanmay, what is your answer? Tanmay, what is your answer? C 32. Ichha, Garb is telling 16, my dear. Garb is telling me 16. How 16? Minus 24. Minus 24 plus dash. Dash is x is equal to 8. Now this is minus 24 on left hand side. Take it on the right hand side. Plus. So x is equal to 8 plus 24. So x is equal to 32. The correct answer is 32. So C option is correct. Okay. Now we stop here, my dear. See you tomorrow for final revision. Bye, bye, bye. Bye, bye, bye.